Hola, hola a todos. Welcome to Spanish from Zero. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to write a paragraph about a place, country, city, and to learn the verb estar and other things. So let's start. Piensa a un país. Think about a country. Que tu interesa, that's interesting for you, o que conoces bien, or that you know well, y escribe un texto sobre él and write a text about it. So I chose China here. China es un país muy grande y muy interesante. China is a country very big and very interesting. So China is it should be very here, very big country and very interesting. Está en Asia y la capital es Pekín. It's in Asia and the capital is Peking. So está, did you notice? We are talking about the location here, so this is why we used estar. Es el país más poblado del mundo. It is the country most populated in the world. So it's the most populated country in the world. La lengua oficial es el chino mandarín. The official language is Mandarin, the Chinese Mandarin. Pero hay muchos dialectos y otras lenguas. But, there are, but here we have muchos dialectos, so it's plural. So there are a lot of dialects and otras lenguas, other languages. El verbo estar en el presente. Yo estoy. We have O and we have the Y here. It's an irregulation. So as you can see, estar, it's from the first group and it ends with AR. So the rest of the pronouns, they will have the same endings as the verb from the first group. So if you can remember, llamarse, viajar, trabajar, and comprar. We took that before. So tú estás, we have a ese, él, ella, usted está. Nosotros estamos. Be careful. Here in nosotros, nosotras, we don't have tilde on a. Vosotros, vosotras estáis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes están. Now, hay unos muchos. Let's see. En España hay muchas lenguas. In Spain, there are a lot of languages. Example, en España hay muchos huevos. In Spain, there are a lot of eggs. See? Muchas lenguas, feminine. Huevos, it's muchos huevos because it's masculine. For example, in España hay mucha gente. Gente is feminine, singular, so it should be mucha. En España hay un capital. Now the use of unos, unas, una. In Spain, there is one capital or there is a capital. Now, aquí hay unos vinos fantásticos. Here, there are unos. The meaning of unos is some here in the sentence. So here, there are some fantastic wines. So you can use una, unos, unas. It depends. Here, vinos, it's masculine plural. En esta región hay mucho café. In this region, there is a lot of coffee. So mucho is in the meaning of a lot. Here in the sentence. So the rule is with muy and mucho. Muy plus adjetivo. For example, muy bonito, muy bonita, muy bonitos, muy bonitas. And mucho, it will be verbo plus mucho, llueve mucho, nieva mucho, and that's it. So that was all for today, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Hasta luego.